Hello guys, Flash here for another video. Today we're going to discuss about the only up token. This is something like Everrise. It is a fork of Everrise. So the inflationary token with token mechanism stabilizing the sales by incorporating automatic buybacks and also providing frictionless reflection rewards to token holders. This is something interesting, as I said before, an Everrise fork. Going a bit down on here, so what is only up token? It's a deflationary token, as I've said before. It collects 5% buyback session on each transaction, pre-programmed in the smart contract, maintains the funds as BNB under the smart contract. Whenever a sell happens, a buyback function gets triggered automatically to buy from the liquidity pool and burns those tokens, thereby constantly deflating the supply. But that's why it's called only up token, as this token will go only up with such a contract. So the token mechanism, there's 10%, 1% goes to holders, 4% going to marketing wallet, and 5% used for token buybacks. Okay, tokenomics, so the DxSale fee is 1%, team 5%, initial marketing development 10%. DxSale launch pre-sale, there's going 30%, private sale 3%, picking swap liquidity 21%, and mega burn before the list will be 30%. You can buy right now on DxSale. So they've already raised 43 BNB, the soft cap being 100 and the hard cap being 200 BNB. I highly suggest you guys going and joining the Telegram group, as well as following them on Twitter. The DxSale, the pre-sale, will end in 1 day and 11 hours. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, don't forget the notifications, and I'll catch you guys into the next one. Flash out.